Alrighty guys, so now we're gonna get this one right here. Gotta go this way. Let's use my little guy, my little animal to ride. Gotta go this way, and then take a little boat, whoa, to this little area. There's a boat I need to ride. And let's ride it faster. Let's go a little bit faster like last. We're trying to get the mithril design today, the schematic today. Not like in a week here or in 2 days, like right this second. Whoops, I'm running into a wall there. Alrighty, Legolas. I'm doing terribly a terrible job of my driving skills or riding my boat skills. Alright, let's go up here and use Saruman, who we have from that other schematic. There it is. Whoops. Whoa, 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 whoa. Alright, nice. How do we get back now? Can we just get back that area over there? No, can't. It's too high for us. Actually, I know what we can do. We can just travel to the next one. Let's just travel. Actually, no. I take that back. We're gonna travel all this way. Actually, yes we are. You know what? It's gonna take way too long to do that. So, we're gonna travel to right over here. We got that one. Alright, nicely done. Alright, so now I can go this way. And it will be guided to it. And hop along this way. Hey person, how you doing? Hello there, Elf. Alright, let's go this way. This way. Whoa, there's... And we're almost there. Maybe not almost there, but we've got a little ways to go, and then we will get the next schematic or blacksmith design. Nice, alright. We're almost there now. I don't know why that arrow is pointing at, over there, but all I do know is that we will need Sauron again. Or Saruman. I keep saying Sauron, but that's the dude with the eye of Sauron. Alright. Shoot that. Some rocks will act as a bridge for us, and I cannot walk over this water. Perfect. Nice, alright. So now the next schematic does happen to be down here. Well, not down here, but you have to take a boat to the other side. No! Alright, hop in the boat here, go to the other side, and we will be able to go inside there after we, awesome, jump up here, and we will need Saruman to do that, and then unlock this. Actually, we will need a wizard inside, so I'm just going to use him. Alright, so nice, now I can hop up here. Well, this does not help. Alright, we're just gonna use him to press circle. Alright, we did it all. Nice, alright. Open the lock up. Open the doors. Come on. And now we can go inside. Alright. We're gonna light up this cave here and shoot some blue things that we need to use a wizard for. Haha, like right here. Right there. We're gonna shoot that one. Nope. I did not say to shoot that one. I said to shoot, really. That one. And then there's this thing. Nope, no. Right there. And then shoot the third one. which will be right there, and get the next schematic design. No, 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 no. My bad, I messed up. Oh wait, don't change yet. No, don't change. All right, don't change. Gotta go back out. Out, out, out. Out, and then we can change back to Legolas. Legolas. Wait, where are we going? Okay. Gotta go back out. I do now. Let me get the next one. Let me see where it is here. Is there one up here? I thought I missed one over here for some odd reason. Maybe I didn't. Alright, perfect. Now let's go to Moria and get the next one down there. And now we can do, let's see what we gotta do here. We just gotta go down in here and, oh, I think I remember how to get to, I think I remember how to do this. So, let's see if I remember correctly. How far do we have to go? We don't have to go inside there, but I just want to see how. Alright, let's see how far it is. Oh, it's just a little ways. Alright, perfect. No, I don't want to fight you. Alright, perfect. Let's just do this. No, 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 no. Alright, nice. Here it is. And we're gonna die, but okay. Just kill me now. Thank you. And now the next schematic happens to be right over here. Let's see where the next area should be. Travel to. I'm gonna travel to Weathertop and then go there with little animals. So if that makes sense, I hope it does. Alright, let's travel there to over to there. Alright, I think I missed one, but I can do it after this. Let me just see real quick. Did I miss one? No, I didn't miss one. Is that the one I just got? I'm not sure, but anywho, we can use this guy right here. Go this way? No, this way. Oh, I'm not going the right way, guys. Perfect. Alright, now we're going the right way. I think I'm going the right way. Am I? Alright, we gotta turn here. Wait, wait. This isn't the right way. I know there's a schematic like right here, I thought. This is weird. Really? Like, where am I going? Okay. This is not helpful. I'm gonna go to the troll shaws instead and see if I can figure out. Okay, so I did not miss one. Wait. See if I can travel there faster. With this guy. Alright, let me see if I can go the right way here. can't hop up this mountain. Alright, alright, I'm going straight now. Wait, what? This makes no sense to me. Alright, maybe it's, yeah, I think it's this one over here. I think this is how we get it. Okay, I'm pretty sure it's like right here. Alright, so hit this. Sleeping underneath the ground must be found. So we have to follow the light. We have to follow the yellow arrows. Just keep going straight. And now go this way. If it's a purple arrow, you have to go the opposite direction. So we have to go this way now. And you have to go this way. Now I have to go this way. Okay, go this way. Go up now, as you can see. It's indicating to go up. Where's that arrow? Didn't see that where the next arrow was pointing, but okay. Oh, the arrow's pointing down now. Alright, this is a quest that we're not gonna do. Okay, so this is a pretty pointless arrow. What does this mean to do? Oh, go this way now. This way. Hey, look at me, I figured it out. Alright, awesome, go me. Nope, not Frodo. I wanted Sam. Alright, dig it up, dig it up, dig it up, dig it up. Come on, go Sam, go Sam. Alright, grab that key. I'm gonna change it back into Legolas. Alright. Turn that key now. Awesome, now we can go in. And do this stuff. Let's see what's in here. Let's see what awaits for us in this. There's nothing even in here. Wait, I don't even get anything for that? Wait, what? There's a turn here? Oh, there's a turn here. I didn't even notice that. Okay, guys, you gotta notice that turn there. Because that's extremely important. No, 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 no. Just shoot these targets. No, 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 not in the water. Alright, let's see. Do we have enough of this? Oops. Wow, I have one of those. That is beautiful. 9? Oh, okay. Just great. It's just great. I'm saying that's just great. Alright, now I gotta go back and get all this stuff. How do we get it, you ask? Well, we will use Bomber. And mine all this stuff here. Oops. That was a second try. Ouch. Oh, I messed up there. Alright, well, let me grab all that. I killed that guy. Alright, let me grab all this. Okay, first try. First try. I think I have almost everything. Let me go see what all I have. No, oh, I thought I missed that. Actually, I think there's some stuff here that can give you things to mine, right? That's 13. Okay. We are so close to finishing in this mission, but luckily, or unfortunately, we don't have the correct necessities to do so. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come back to that, and I'm gonna go do this one right here in Hobbiton, or Bywater, I guess. I guess it's in Bywater, and we're gonna go do that. So with that in mind, let us go do that. Now this one is similar to the one we did earlier. We will need Bilbo. Whoops. I cannot find Bilbo. Oh wait, no, we need Ori for this one. Sorry guys. We will need Ori. So look at this. So all you have to do here is there's a code, and outside are owls. So the code is red. Blue. There should be a green owl sitting somewhere. Is it green? I cannot find it. Where in the world is this green owl? Oh, there's the green owl. It's like right in the middle. So, anyway, we have to use Ori here. Why aren't we able to fling our stuff here? Alright, so let's go this way. Okay, I gotta recome to this one as well. Okay, that is weird. Alright. No, it's so weird that I can't do that, but I had a glitch on that my first time too. So, anyway, we'll have to come back to it. So, there's a glitch on that, and there's not a glitch on the other one. It's just that I can't do it right now because of the necessities I have. So, let's go back to Bomber, actually. And let's see if there's anything to mine. Nope, there isn't. Alright. Unfortunately, I need to go to Bree and do that. Hey, look, check this out. Actually, that's nothing we need. We need some of these crystals here. That's what we need. Alright. Really? Oh my gosh, that was so close. Oh no, I messed up. Really? I didn't get any, but I just got one. That's kind of depressing. Alright, look at that. We need one of those. Alright, we can go under there now, but what I want to do is get this. So, let me do that real quick. Oh, that was close. That was so close to getting the first try. Really? Alright, I don't know why I would do that, but okay. Go under there, so we have 13. We need 7 of those now and 7 more. The other ones. Okay, where are we going now? Going over here. Getting the key. How do we get over there? Nope, grab the key. Now you get up there. Oh. You go right there. Okay. Nice. So now go through this one then. Yeah, I got the key. Thanks. Okay, so then how do you get to that top one? Oh, I figured it out. No, don't drop the key. Amber, you gotta pay more attention to this. Alright. Victory, victory. Alright, victory screech. Nice. Now we can get the next one over here and Hobbit on. We're going over there. Alright, so what I'm going to do here first, guys, is I'm going to see where... Okay, perfect. So now I'm going to take on... Oops. My bad. Did not mean to do that. Alright, where is... Perfect, there's a campfire right here. I'm going to change the time of day first, just because I want it to be daytime. So there we go. Changing it to daytime. La 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 lee lee. La la lee lee lee. Alright, let's go. Come on, come on. Okay, so now we gotta go over here and get what we're looking for. Alright, now we just have to practically hop over there. Except we can't, we have to use Bilbo and fish once again. And square. And X. And square again. Square. Perfect. And grab that crank. Okay. We go back to the glass. And now put the crank in. Crank, turn. And there's our, what number is this? 16th, okay. 16th mithril stud blade. So, oh no, 15th. I believe this is the last one, right? Because if I pause it, it says 15, and then that should be the 16th throughout the hub world, and then 16 will be in the levels, because there's one in each level. So yeah, that should be the last one. Alright, nice. So let me go back to Ori, and see if this is gonna work. And I will need to set my location. Alright, or set my destination, whatever you call it. Alright, here we go. It's just over here. Not too far away. Oh no, wait, we have two, don't we? We have two to do. Because we had one when we started out, don't we? Yeah, we need the other one, which is right... Where is it again? Oh yeah, it's down here, that's right. I thought it was. Oh yeah, it's right here. That's right, we have two to do. Okay. But they're not that hard. Let's go this way again. Wait, there's something over here to get, right? I know there's some loot over here. Thought there's some loot you could get in there. Maybe I'm thinking of somewhere else. Okay, I don't know what I'm thinking of. But, at any rate, let's just travel this way. Little bit more.